Hello, welcome to Prism Art TV. For today's video, we're going to do an illustration of a deer walking through a snowstorm using spray paint. Are you guys ready? Here are our material list. I'll list them below in our description box. Today's design is going to be done by Anna. First, let's have a black paper underneath the white paper on top. Then, we're going to sketch out the hill and a deer standing on it. I'm going to sketch out the outside line of everything since we're going to cut them out to use it as a masking tool. Here goes the deer horns, half moon, and 2 Christmas trees on both sides. Once the sketch is done, let's grab a scissor and cut out the line. Make sure you align them to where you want them to look. Then get a double-sided tape. We just need to have them stick very lightly. Now, once all the parts been taped, let's bring them outside for the fun spray paint. I'm using metallic paint spray. Make sure to not breathe in the air while spraying. Spray paint them however you like. Once you left it outside for 10 minutes, bring them back and let's take all the white papers off the black paper. Don't forget to take off all the double-sided tape as well. Then, I'm going to use some color pencils to put on some Christmas sweater to the deer. I have some shiny gems to put on the Christmas trees. I'm using white glue to glue all of this. And some shiny party confetti to put on the hill. We all done! Hope you guys had fun watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. See you guys next week. Bye!